got a call one day saying that I have been shortlisted for an interview over here. I think it was through Naukri.com. That's how they got to know about me. And then I really didn't know that what this company is about and how does it relate to my job role. But once I came here, I got to know it has something to do with what I had studied as such about merchandising. It was quite exciting for me to know that there was something like this also online. To talk about how a day starts in e-commerce era. An e-commerce era as such, day starts off as they enter, they start greeting each other, they start talking to everybody, and then they come over to their desk and start working, looking at their mails. That's how a particular day starts off in e-commerce era.
Logging into Yahoo Messenger and checking the mails is the first thing we do when we log in into a system, such that we don't miss any important mails, and we do check our mails for every 45 minutes. We'll go through what are all the tasks to be done for the day and categorize those tasks according to the priorities. Later we will have a discussion with our team manager regarding the tasks to be done for the day, and we discuss about the specifications of each task such that we have a clear idea about the tasks we are going to do, and so that we can work accordingly. We will have a refreshing week once we are done with the discussions with our manager.
కంపెనీలో పనిచేయడం నాకు చాలా బాగా నచ్చింది. ఇక్కడ ఉన్న వాళ్ళంతా చాలా కలిసి ఉంటారు. హెల్పింగ్ నేచర్ కూడా చాలా బాగుంది. నేను లంచ్ ఇవన్నీ తెస్తుంటాను.
Econzilla is a company where we really mean fun at work. Hello, this is Veena Birla, traffic manager at Econzilla. I was always passionate about e-commerce and online marketing. Econzilla gave me an opportunity to get into this company and work on improving my passion and my curiosity to learn about online marketing and e-commerce industry overall. Talking about my team is a proper combination of bunch of guys who are workaholic and who love fun at work. Rishi, Sriram and Vasant are the guiding lights of Econzilla. Rishi is just like a colleague with whom I love talking and sharing a lot of information, not only about e-commerce or our company, but we both love talking about many things, right from movies to what's happening in politics.
Let me describe about the tech team. I would like to put words like one of the passionate, one of the result oriented, and one of the smart concept that tech team follows in order for delivering tasks, and one of the way the tech team plans activities is also describes more about tech team. And next, talking more towards the technologies that tech team works on, there is a lot of expertise that was built towards the Office framework, which is one of the good ERP solutions that is considered across the e-commerce industry, and we've also explored into the other J2EE technologies. Coming to Vasant, I would like to put few words like the perception and the visualizations, the clarity that he brings into the team, and the levels at which he aligns the process, which are always welcome towards the implementations. And learning need not be mentioned while you are talking to him, and the patience that you could learn from him while communicating. And the goal-orientedness behavior is also what he generates for all the team. This is what I would like to describe about Vasant.
I've been with Econzilla for the last 2 months, and I should say it's been a very exhilarating experience so far. The team here is like very young. I am probably one of the oldest members in the team. We love to meet our clients, and we love to argue out points and take decisions along with our clients. We take them into confidence for a lot of things that we do for each client. And as you see in this meeting, we are having a great discussion with everyone participating, and it's quite an open environment and also friendly at the same time.
నేను అకౌంట్స్ అండ్ అడ్మిన్ హ్యాండిల్ చేస్తున్నాను ఫర్ ది లాస్ట్ 1.5 years. కమింగ్ టు వర్క్ కల్చర్ కానీ టైమింగ్స్ కానీ నాకు చాలా సూటబుల్గా ఉన్నాయి. అండ్ సెకండ్ థింగ్ ఏంటంటే ఇక్కడ మెయిన్ hierarchy and like bossism. The hierarchy is only for namesake, but all are equally treated.
Our teams are a bunch of dedicated, enthusiastic and detail-oriented people. And talking about the tech team especially, they work 13 to 14 hours most of the times a day. When we go for company outing every year, the place is decided democratically. In doing so, we have stronger bonds with each other and create a very friendly and fun-filled environment despite of mounting pressures of meeting deadlines and bringing out new ways to do things.
Hi friends, Ecomzera is a place not just providing a world-class services to the clients, but it also makes sure that it keeps all its employees happy. For that, it takes care of its employees in various ways, and one of the ways is through celebrating their birthdays. Coming to the birthday celebration, with a small get-together, we have a cake cutting and a gift to the person who would be celebrating their birthday. And it is not just a gathering, but we make sure that the particular person would be enjoying their birthday and making it a most memorable day for them. Coming to our department, we are 2 in HR and 3 in admin, would be reporting to our CEO, Mr. Sriram. Talking about Mr. Sriram, about the personality, he is a very soft person who would make sure that everyone at Ecomzera works with passion, and he supports each one of us in such a way that we would be able to perform our job well.
Well, I'm in the operations department of Ecomzera, specifically the customer service team, and this is a team which works 24/7. And the main motive of the customer service team is the customer satisfaction, wherein the customers follow from the 186 countries. We strive to provide the excellent service from them and to excel in the profession. And this is the only team which works 24/7. For some of the persons, if the day starts at 5 a.m., for us the day starts at 8 p.m.
Ecomzera for me is like a one-stop services provider, and I think that's probably the best part of it.
Ecomzera is a very good business associate for me, and especially gives and ideas, the way it is contributing, I mean, getting the new things done, the complete management of right from traffic generation to conversion and returning customers, all those things. I mean, it has become a very important part for my side.
Focus, focus and focus. Focus just on the quality, and nobody can beat you. Just focus on the quality part of it, and you will be the leader in not just I'm not just saying 5 years, 2 years down the lane. You are the leader in the market. Thank you.
4th anniversary or 3rd anniversary, I think one of the best things I like about Ezians is the enthusiasm, which actually shows on the job, and this is one of the popular phrases that goes around in Ecomzera, says, "You guys rock."